So Suvankar, you want to know something in grammar. So far as I am concerned, you wanted to know about voice change in interrogative sentences.
Yes, sir.
So what is your difficulty? Voice change, the rules of voice change you know, so we should not discuss about that. We should see the in what tense it is, and then we should do that. But you give me the example of interrogative sentence, which there is so many types of interrogative sentence with using be verb or using WH word. Just you tell first, give an example that says this is the question, this is the sentence, and how I will think to change it in active to passive.
So, sir, I was practicing grammar in my home, and I just faced a problem in placing B verb
Yeah.
in voice change, and I'm feeling, and I also feeling confusion placing the B verb where I should place in the voice change.
Okay, you just give me the just sentence, example of sentence. Like suppose this is the sentence. In what way I should start thinking?
Like a sentence, who can do it?
Who can do it?
Yes.
Who can do it in Bengali? কে এটা করতে পারে? Then you have to think that subject is who here.
Yes.
Who here? Then you have to mention কার দ্বারা এটা করা যেতে পারে. So in case of who, the exceptional rules is that by whom you have to start with the word by whom. By whom. Then the object who can do it. It. By whom, and the verb is modal auxiliary verb can. After WH word you have to bring the verb, that is modal auxiliary verb. And you know in passive there is a after can, in any modal auxiliary verb can, I can do the work can be done by is. Then you have to bring the be, and after that verb third form. It is simple. But who can do it? Then in Bengali কে এটা করতে পারে? In Bengali passive will be কর্মবাচ্য হবে কার দ্বারা এটা করা যেতে পারে, আর who থাকলেই by whom থাকে, আর কোন WH word থাকলে by whom থাকবে না, সেটা বাইটা লাস্টে গিয়েই হবে। when, how যা থাকবে what এটা আগে, কিন্তু who এর ক্ষেত্রে this is the exception, by whom, then everything is I can do it. Can you do it? If this is full, then there is no WH word. Can it be done? Because only I can do it, it can be done by me. If there is question, can you do it? Then can will come first. Can it be done by me? But if it is the WH question, then at first WH word will come, and in case of who, by whom will come, you need not put by at last. By whom can it be done? When will you take your dinner? In Bengali, কখন তুমি তোমার নৈশভোজ গ্রহণ করবে? কখন তুমি সামনেই রাখবে, কখনকে সরাবে না, ওদিকে তুমি ভাবটাকে তার WH পরে হবে। হ্যাঁ, তাহলে কি কখন তুমি তোমার নৈশ ভোজন করবে, বাংলাটা তোমায় করে নিতে হবে, যেহেতু তুমি বেঙ্গলি থেকে করছো, বেঙ্গলি মিডিয়াম, বাংলাটাই চিন্তা করবে। তাহলে কি কখন তুমি তোমার কখন তোমার নৈশ ভোজন করা হবে, তোমার দ্বারাই নৈশ ভোজনের বায়ু না দিলেও চলবে, কখন তোমার নৈশ ভোজন করা হবে। when your dinner will be taken by you need not take. when your dinner will be taken. if you তোমার ডিনার যদি না বলো তাহলে তুমি by you দিতে পারো। when the dinner will be taken by you. when dinner will be taken by you. আর তোমার নৈশ ভোজন যদি বলি তাহলে by you দেবে না। when your dinner will be taken. Am I able to make you understand in this way?
Yes. So thank you for explaining me in this way. I have understood it very well. So thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.